Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a cinematic dark coloring for a photo or video in CapCut. So here you just need to add your photos or clips, and then first go to filter, click on the mono category, then select the warlock filter. Set it to around 80, or you can just adjust it to your liking and then click on adjust. Now set the contrast into 20 and saturation 8, and now click on the exposure and lower it to -20. Then after that, click on sharpen, increase it to around 5. Okay, now click on the HSL on the yellow color, lower the saturation to -12 and luminance -8. Okay, then on the green color, lower the hue to -12, saturation -48, and luminance -9. Okay, now click on the grabs and then use this grab like this. Okay, go back, now click on the highlight, lower it to -20 and shadow -15, and you are done. So this is the before, it's a little bright, and now this is the one with the dark aesthetic coloring. Okay, so that's all for me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. Bye.